Oh, look at the two geese coming up. Oh, there's Australian native black swans. There is Pacific black duck, Wurundjeri, they call it Dulum. Lots of black ducks. And there's some mallards over there. Oh, look at this little fucker. Isn't he gutsy? Is he gutsy? He has lots of guts. Call him Gangama. There's mixed ducks still more. Oh look, that one would look nice roasted. And that one would too. Yum 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 yum. There's swans that are protected species. And oh look, there's the purple swamp hen. Quite a nice, not the purple swamp hen, dusky moorhen. Purple swamp hen is purple. These ones look pretty young. And a lot of these ducks are adults. Oh, there's a young one there. Right behind that geese. Goose, should I say. He's going crazy. And the adults are trying to take the food away. Give me that food! Oh, there's the baby. Oh, baby, I fly. Bye-bye. Oh, look. Oh, yeah. This one's still close. It wants all the food. You think so? Looks like he's lost weight.
Did he?
Yeah. Is that the one that used to hang around years ago?
That one?
No, this one.
This one? That one.
That one. This one used to hang around years ago, then it ran away, and then it come back. Okay, so these are the animals you can find when you go and feed birds.